Purchasing a home is an exhilarating and rewarding experience. It can also be very intimidating. Many considerations go into the process, including size, number of bedrooms, schools, neighborhood, commute time, etc. Given the tight housing market, we can add another consideration: new home construction versus resale homes. There's a lot of misinformation, so we wanted to share some of the questions we receive about new home construction versus resale homes. New home construction refers to newly constructed homes that use state-of-the-art materials built per the International Building Code, meaning they adhere to the highest levels of safety and health for occupants. Resale homes were built using acceptable materials and techniques at the time of construction. According to housemethod.com, the median home age in Virginia is 38 years and 32 in North Carolina. In other words, the home's wood, insulation, wiring, plumbing, etc. were manufactured in the 1980s on average. What is the energy efficient differences between new home construction versus resale homes? New home construction is more energy efficient because homes are built using materials and techniques designed to improve airflow, keep the temperature inside the home consistent, and reduce energy consumption. For example, at HHHunt Homes, we use windows, doors, water heaters, and other appliances in our homes that are ENERGY STAR certified, meaning they meet strict energy efficient speculations set by the US EPA. Over the years, many homebuyers have updated resale homes to include ENERGY STAR certified appliances and building products, increasing their energy efficiency. However, some things take more work to update, including insulation behind closed walls and heating and cooling systems, which make resale homes far less energy efficient than new home construction. What are the maintenance differences between new home construction versus resale homes? Since everything is new in new home construction, new homes require significantly less maintenance. Maintenance issues with new home construction may be covered under the home warranty that comes with new homes. Every HHHunt home is delivered with a limited 10-year insured warranty by Professional Warranty Service Corporation, the leading provider of new home warranty products. This is the best warranty program available today. Resale homes are older, so the likelihood of something going wrong is higher than new construction homes. While a warranty may be purchased or included in a resale transaction, these are less comprehensive or long-term. According to Bankrate, many home repairs become necessary during the home's middle years when a house is no longer brand new. The average homeowner of a resale home spends between $5,000 to $10,000 annually on maintenance repairs. What are the design differences between new home construction versus resale homes? With new construction, you'll be able to choose from countless modern open floor plans perfect for your lifestyle. Homebuyers that purchase a new home from HHHunt Homes also have the chance to select all the designer features and finishes at our design gallery or the on-site design center when purchasing from the Smart Living Collection. Resale homes are as they come. Homebuyers can add an addition to their home or remodel it to make it fit their lifestyle. But there is a significant expense to doing that, and it may require you to move out for some time. What is the value proposition between new home construction versus resale homes? Simply put, new home construction offers excellent value and increased equity from the moment you close. There are numerous factors that lenders, insurers, local governments, and the markets use when deciding the value of a home. These include location, home, size, features, age, and sales timeline of comparable homes. With new home construction, the location, features, and age factors immediately work in homebuyers' favor, so the price you are paying is lower than the market value of your home. The value of resale homes fluctuates dramatically based on location, age, and comparable homes. That fluctuation can cause a great deal of uncertainty when and if it comes time to sell your home. How is purchasing process different between new home construction versus resale homes? The purchasing process for resale homes can be incredibly competitive. Home buyers are often stuck making multiple offers on different houses to get a bid accepted finally. The past 2 years have shown how stressful it can be to purchase a resale home. Purchasing a new construction home means you will never end up in a bidding war with home buyers. Suppose you are looking for a new single-family home, townhome, or condo. In that case, we invite you to explore our new homes in Virginia and North Carolina by visiting HHHuntHomes.com. Our new home advisors can help you find the perfect lot, floor plan, and community so that you can focus on the things that matter most. HHHunt also offers move-in ready homes that you can enjoy within 90 days or less in Richmond, Williamsburg, Hampton Roads, and North Carolina. On behalf of everyone at HHHunt, we wish you all the best on your home buying journey. We have been helping homebuyers build their dreams for over 30 years. HHHunt, because it's how you live that matters.